So as you can see here, there's not a ton of space in the back seat of this vehicle. What I'm going to do is show you space-wise here. So as you can see, I do still have a little bit of space on the top here. I've got about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches or so for headspace, but knee space is very, very tight. Like, I'm 6 feet tall, and if there was another tall driver in the front seat here, there definitely would not be enough space for a tall person in the back here. So you're really looking at the SuperCab as an option if you're really only got 2 people, maybe a dog that you're going to put in the back seat here as well. In the back seat of the Ranger, as you can see here, we've got a little tab at the bottom. So if we pull that tab down, we can lift the seat up. That goes for both the driver and passenger side. However, on the the driver's side here, I should say, there's a little tab underneath here. If we lift that up, we've got our jack. So if you ever need to change the tire, this is where you're going to go in order to get access to the jack in order to do that.